Welcome to a new vlog. Taxi has just showed up. Yes, the Rinjani Lighthouse. First thing first, we have to stop by the medical center place here at the village where we start the hike. And this is the medical center. Oh, you say if you have a good blood pressure, that's nice. I have a very good one. No.
They will fill it out.
Ah, they're gonna figure out, okay. My blood pressure is fantastic.
Yeah.
My blood pressure is fantastic. I passed the test. 74.6.
10 kilos.
10? Oh, 9 kilos. Yes! So you guys have 10 kilos?
10 kilos, yeah.
And I have 9 kilos.
And then we're getting
of equipment and everything.
1.5 liter water, so then we're up to 11.5.
So that's how much gear we have, and that's probably gonna make a huge difference while we walk, because every single kilo we have is for sure gonna be a bit more painful in the knees after 3 days of walking. So now to the office. Okay, office. We have the tickets to get in, and we're gonna start the... Oh no, we're actually gonna get back in the car first. Yes! And then we start the hike. We actually don't get closer. We get back down to the start of the hike, which is like probably 200 meters down or something. And then we start the hike. To Rinjani. The actual hike is starting now. So we're starting up in 𝐬'𝐴𝐫𝐿𝐿 village, which is at... Hello. Oh, he doesn't want to join the hike. Apa kabar? Yes. Hello.
Hello. Smell the onion.
Oh wow. So we start in 𝐬'𝐴𝐫𝐿𝐿, which is at 1,200 meters. First part of the hike is going to be from that spot all the way to the campsite, which is at... What did we say the campsite was at? 2,000?
Almost 2.7.
Almost 2.7, okay. So now we're climbing 1.5... 1,500 meters. And that we're gonna probably take, not the whole day because it's already like 9 or something, but yeah, a good couple hours with a lunch break in between. And then tomorrow we're gonna try to reach the summit at 3,700 meters. And we just got the news while we were at the office that apparently there was an earthquake yesterday night, like 4.5.
Yeah, 4.5.
So they apparently announced that we should not walk on the like edges, being like really on the ridge, go really in the middle.
See, they're repairing the mountain already.
Yeah. But that's Rinjani summit up there, and behind is the lake and everything, and it's gonna look pretty freaking crazy from up there, I think. It's crazy because it feels like it's only like 200 or 300 meters away from us, but it's actually way further than that. So, and Mathias was explaining us that the entire village area here is, since it's at 1,200 meters, the climate is so different than the rest of Lombok. It is actually less humid and less warm, so they can grow way different stuff. For example, they have like garlic here, they have strawberries on the other side, they had lettuce, everything. So I mean, they provide almost the whole island with all the plantations around here, which is pretty sick. Here you can see, that's the garlic. And that's the strawberry.
Oh. Absolutely not.
Absolutely not. Well done. First hour, I mean almost first hour. Don't know if you can see the amount of sweat. Probably like already 1 kilo less of sweat. Yes, boom. No, I was about to say, can I get a lift? Can I go in the back and then? Yeah. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Maybe on the way back. Okay. I'm still okay now. I can listen. First big reward of the day. We made it to post 2 after 2 hours. Do you guys know it's only 300 meters higher than what we started? We're at 1,500 meters.
Really?
And we still have 1,100 to go.
Nice. I might stay here.
But I mean, it makes sense. We were like walking on such a flat, then it's gonna be steep. So apparently it's not even as long as you expect, because it's only gonna be another 3 to 4 hours or something like this. But it's gonna be super steep. Now let's find where we get the food.
Welcome.
land place.
Wow, is that the spot?
Yeah, it's your porter for bring like stuff.
Oh, thank you
They
guys.
cook like maybe
They already cooked.
nasi campur.
Nasi campur?
Yeah.
Nasi campur is typical. Is it rice and veggies?
The rice and vegetables.
And fried veggies?
But how about tofu?
Tofu and tempeh? If you
Tempeh,
have.
is it okay?
I got those legends, the porters there. When we had to go to the office and to the blood pressure thing, they actually climbed up all the way and probably faster on flip-flops, carrying the food and everything. That's one cool thing as well, like if when you come here, that actually really helps the local economy and community, because then they get also their good cuts of money by carrying that and cooking the food up there. They even brought the chairs, which is unbelievable. Oh wow, nasi campur.
Terima kasih banyak Sardi.
Ya, sama-sama.
Makan!
Selamat makan.
Makan! Bon appétit!
Bon appétit.
It's in French, yes.
Terima kasih.
Makasih.
Mantap bang, masakan ini.
Oh, this is actually so tasty. So what do we have? It's carrot, green peas. What is this white one?
Potato rice.
Tea, coffee, ginger tea.
Are you kidding me?
Crazy.
I could have ginger tea.
I'd like to have jahe.
Wow, look at the platter that they actually served us now.
Terima kasih banyak.
Bon appétit.
Where did I come from? So you're gonna have a pineapple
And we
in
have the
that.
fruit salad, guys.
So you guys know one thing that I learned recently that is apparently really important. The fruits are being digested way quicker than most of the other foods like rice, pasta, tofu, tempeh, whatever, and especially meat. So if you eat the fruits before, they would get digested quicker in your belly, and then you can absorb all the good nutrients from the fruits and the veggies as well. But if you actually have it as a dessert, which most people have, it's gonna be stuck above and starting to be digested in your stomach, and then this creates some kind of alcohol type of thing. So then you kind of irritate your stomach every time. So that's why sometimes you have some like, if you eat a full apple after a full lunch, you're gonna have this like weird feeling. So enjoy your fruit before your food. That was lesson of the day. We have the behind the scenes.
Can you say hi to the behind the scene? This.
Hi. Okay, now bon appetit. On to the second part. So now the big hike begins with 1,100 meters elevation to climb. Now it is 1 p.m. Let's see if we can make it before the sunset so we can have the view up there and continue flying some FPV drone. And then I'm gonna also tell you a bit more about that whole place because it has some kind of a crazy history that affected the whole world before, back in long time ago. But that will be a bit later because now I'm already out of sweat, out of breath. This is because of the latest biggest earthquake in 2018, which unfortunately closed down the whole site for 2 years to be able to rebuild everything, like the whole walking path and so on. And after that, on top of that, there was COVID. So especially for the local economy, it was not the easiest because 3 years in a row, having almost no one coming to the volcano is definitely not something nice. Whoa! Yeah, I mean, for now, it has just been a couple hours on that little journey, but I can tell you that it's so far really worth it. Also to let you know, I mean, as you can see here, there's a river, but there is no water now. But the actual water is only coming down this path only during the rainy season. So during the rainy season, they actually shut down the whole place. If you want to come and actually visit this volcano, climb all the way, don't come either in December, January or February, because that's when it's rainy season and you won't be able to make it up there. So, and also as a foreigner not living in Indonesia, you have to have a guide. It's also a very good safety thing to not get lost, because I mean, it's pretty wild. but it's also a good thing to help the local economy. So get a guide, get some porters, and come check it out yourself. But don't come in December or January or February. Oh, this is getting steep. Now I can feel that we're putting on those 1,000-meter high incline. Whew. So crazy, the landscape, and the clouds moving in and out so fast. That makes it even more dramatic and sick looking, especially from the drone angles. Stoked that I still have 5 FPV drone batteries, because once we get up to the campsite we don't have chargers, nothing, so we run everything from all the equipment we're having now. Holy shit. It looks like smoke, but it's actually a cloud moving. I haven't been filming so much since the last break. This actual part was really steep, and I decided to just put the camera in my back, so I had less stuff to carry. It was not an easy part, definitely not easy. Lots of sliding, as we say, 1 step forward, 2 steps backwards. Now I'm getting the energy back a bit, because we can see they're about to reach the top pretty soon and rest at the campsite. Salamat malam.
Sorry.
Sorry, okay.
Sorry.
Sorry, nice to meet you. Are you going down now?
No.
Oh, you're going up, okay.
Yeah.
See you up there.
Okay.
Literally the last pieces of this thing is right in front of us. Use every single pieces of energy. I can hear you. Actually, it feels less painful to climb because we have the camera on. I feel a bit more excited. But like 5 seconds before, we were literally like, we're this close from the top, like literally super close after this tree, which is actually super sick also. It's gonna be the top and we're gonna have some sunlight. Ooh. And we started to feel a bit cold and we were like just talking. And bringing you guys out, watching us climb, actually give this extra pump. But the last part was honestly a fucking challenge. Oh, really? Oh, you caught up with us?
Hi.
Hi again, huh? Oh, can we appreciate this tree, please? It's gonna look even nicer from above. Oh, yeah. Can we get a bit of energy from the tree? Oh. This is insane. Now I feel so much power. It's undescribable how you feel when you climb this much and slide down every 2 steps. Oh. Look at this tree. And we're completely above the clouds, except those clouds over there. But those clouds, ocean behind, Cheng sliding, fantastic.
Be easier to slide all the way back.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Fuck. That was one. Not on purpose. Let's go. That must be such a disgusting view from this close, but that translates how painful that is. Is it gonna be worth climbing all the way? That's tomorrow's trek over there. Okay, let's stop stopping and going to the top. Oh, I can start to see the tent.
Come. Strong.
Oh, the view. Holy shit. Good job, guys.
Good job. Good job.
Boom. I haven't turned around to check out the view yet. Sorry.
Yes.
Boom. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ah!
Nice.
Oh, that's insane. And some sun. Oh, the reward. This is like a miracle. Oh, look at this. see your reaction.
Oh my gosh!
How insane.
Oh my gosh.
Insane.
Wow!
Boom! Boom.
Benjamin. Nice!
I mean, we haven't fully finished.
Oh, but
But that's the nicest spot. Good job, guys. I appreciate the heat.
the heat?
This heat.
Well, I feel, yeah, well, I was freezing though.
Yeah, I was actually getting pretty cold.
Well, it feels depends on like where you're looking. If you look in this direction, it's really cool.
Oh wow, it's actually cold this way, and then you feel that your calf actually super hot.
I don't feel my calves anymore.
Ah, okay. And this is gonna be the spot for the night. Like I say, guys, we made it.
Hello, Benjamin.
Well done. We made it, hi.
Yes.
Oh.
What's up? You made it, right?
Oh wow, this is unbelievable. Oh. Oh my god. 2:30. By far some of the toughest steps I've walked. Wait.